Yo, what's up? Okay for Kids TV. It's FGTV Duddy in the house.
What's guys? Welcome back to OK for Kids TV. So I know you guys love our fireworks shopping videos. So today we're gonna be going to the Muckelshoot Reservation, and we're gonna see what kind of deals we can get. But today we're just gonna be shopping for the little type fireworks. So the fireworks I can light up myself. Not the big ones, but the ones that are safe for my age. And before I take you guys there, make sure to subscribe and turn notifications and leave comments down below. So we're gonna go to the reservation right now. Peace out. This is
It's a big one.
I know.
How's it going? Do you have kids fireworks?
Yeah. What kind of kids? I got sparklers, snakes, poppets, adult poppet, small bees, little ground blooms, firecrackers.
Do you guys have
Got
like
little packs.
the poppets that are like
I don't know how small you're trying to go, but
There you go.
yeah, that has that has the
Something he can light.
GoPro. That has
What's in here?
well, this
these
is
guys
a,
you get firecrackers, a little bit bigger firecrackers, crackle balls, smoke balls, fountains, strobes. This guy you get more cars in here, and then a mixture of like the other stuff like crackle balls and smoke balls.
How much is this?
These guys are 20 a piece. These guys are 15.
What do you think, Keelan?
oh
Does that actually fly?
The airplane? No.
What is that other one? The helicopter. Do you have the helicopter?
Do you have that strobe helicopter thing?
Was it loud at the end?
Yeah.
No, that guy's homemade though.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Seriously. What do you think, Keelan?
You want one of those poppets too, right?
yeah.
How much is that? The better poppets?
$3 a box.
Wait,
2 for
what?
$5.
How much are those tins?
$2 for the bag. There's 4 in there.
Oh, that's $2 right there?
Yep.
Oh, if we get two.
Big tents too. I got like 2 tents, airplane, fire truck,
Uh-huh.
$10. Or you can take it out, it's $4 a piece.
How about you just get the torpedo? Maybe get 4 torpedoes.
And then 4 of these.
And then you want those tanks?
Oh,
Do
well,
you guys have swords?
for like,
Right.
Is that the same one you had last time?
yeah.
There's also like a black one of it too.
How much is this?
$3.
Does that shoot?
$3.
Wait, does this shoot out?
No, it shoots out from the top.
I know.
Do you have that AR?
Yep.
Oh, there is an AR. Oh, there you go. That's the one you got last time.
Yeah, that's the one.
How much is that?
$3 also.
$3?
So I go 2 for $5 for both of them.
Okay. So you got this 5, 10, 15 right there.
And then you want one of these? Which one?
I think these are.
The camo one or the?
Yeah, I want that one. That one has like, yeah.
Are you sure?
Why do you? Yeah, I
It has a police car in it.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
Can you do that cheaper?
20 is the lowest.
20 is the lowest.
I didn't wake up for a second. You have my hair.
Do you have smoke grenades or smoke bombs?
Smoke grenades, no.
No, you got my
Smoke
hair.
balls,
Wait, what?
yes.
Well, this one comes with that. That's a gap.
Oh, just the small one.
Oh, whoa.
My last pack is the big one.
Oh, there you
That's
go.
the one that you had.
How much
last
is that?
year, right?
15.
That's $15. Can you give that cheaper? 10 maybe?
Small house pack, I gotta stay at 15.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They're usually, they're $3 a piece, I do 2 for $5.
So how much do we have now?
This one. Big ol' artillery. You put it in the tube like this, and then it goes in the air.
That's too bad. Just
What?
30.
26.
Yeah, 20 is probably. You want this instead of the box?
Yeah.
How about sparklers? Do we need any sparklers?
Yeah, I got your small metal, your regular wood. I also have the long wood, and I also have long metal ones too.
And how much are these?
The tall ones are 7. There's 6 of them in there. The metal ones are 5. There's only 4 in here.
What is the one with a whole bunch of red caps?
This one?
Yeah.
The 96 shot fan kit.
Oh.
Rapid fires all the shots.
what's that ladybugs?
It's like a big small bead, so it'll spin on the ground and kick off.
Oh, okay. 50. Are you good with that, Keelan?
Do you have like the small? They kind of look like magic rings, but have a whole bunch of fuse inside of them, and you slide them in one fuse, and then it just pops. Yeah, like those.
Oh, how much is that?
$1 a pack.
That's $1 a pack.
Just get 50 on here.
I don't think we can light that yet.
We have smaller ones.
Do you know?
That's what this
No. Well, are we gonna light some today?
No. At home. Okay, so you're good with that?
Yeah.
Can you include this for free?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we'll get those.
What'd you get? You got a sword.
Yeah, I got a sword.
You got an AR.
Yeah. And
You got a poppets.
Yeah, I got poppets,
You got
smoke
smoke bombs and Roman candle.
Yeah,
For
Mom.
$50.
Yeah. I'll carry the bag. Or if I can. I wonder how much it
You guys
will be.
open daily now?
Yep. We open at 9.
Uh-huh.
Probably till about 10 tonight we'll close.
Now, let's set all the stuff into the car. Woo! That was a long time. Woo. Okay, so you guys saw me shopping, so I'm going to be showing you guys the fireworks that I got for $50. So right here I got this sword. Very, very, very cool. And it's a fountain, so it lights up from right here, and then you can just go like this, and then it will shoot up from the top. So this is like a blaster. It's the same thing as that one, it's a fountain, but it's a blaster. You go. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so the next firework I'm gonna be showing you guys is I got a deal off of it. I got 4 for $10. So right here we got some poppets. 4 boxes of poppets. They're called torpedoes. Firecrackers. So these are really fun. They're just like regular poppets instead of them being the little one, the little ball ones. So the next firework I got is a cannon mammoth smoke bombs, and these are the best smoke bombs you can ever find. They're super pretty and they last a long time. So right here we got all the colors, mostly all the colors, in this big pack. So the next firework we got are 20 Roman candles in this bag, and we got a really good deal on this. There's 20 of Roman candles in here, and all of them are different colors, and they're all in colored order. So that's pretty cool. This is really fun because last year, if you watched our last video, we got Roman candles, but not this much. Next firework we got are these smoke balls right here. So I got these for free, including all this, that these are free. They're usually $1 and some cents, but we got them for free. They have, 2 whites and then the rest of the colors. And these are really fun. We have more from last year. So this is gonna be a really fun year of using these fireworks. If you guys love fireworks, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications and leave comments down below. And make sure to watch our other firework videos. So those are all the fireworks we have today. We're gonna be getting more, and that's gonna be on another video. So make sure to stay tuned and make sure to subscribe and turn notifications so you know when that video is gonna come out. So thanks for watching. Please give a big thumbs up, smash the button, turn notifications, and give us a big thumbs up. Bye, peace out.